Aguila Starter Plan is our basic plan. There is sa Aguila Tax Management Services. Meant na siya nga plan for the micro business owners or mga ginagmay nga mga negosyo who wants their permits to be secured and who wants to make sure na sakto ang pag-file sa BIR, especially the computation of the taxes. Now, the included services under Aguila Starter Plan kay ang DTI registration, apelo na nato ang renewal ani every 5 years, mayor's permit registration, and renewal included ang fire certificate, sanitary permit sa Senro certificate, and sa BIR registration included ang pag-print sa resibo o ang pag-register sa libro. Bonus part para sa inyong tanan nga naa po tay training nga pagabuhaton after the registration sa BIR. I-train ta mo how to record sa inyong mga journal books and how to properly issue your sales or your service invoice. So that's after the BIR registration. After that, we will also take care of your filings and payments dito sa BIR every month, every quarter, and every year. Muna siya ang pinaka-common na tax types sa mga businesses dito sa Cebu City for the BIR. That's the expanded withholding tax, compensation withholding tax, percentage tax, and VAT, and the income tax. Yan. So those are the services included sa Aguila Starter Plan. So how does this work? Bale, usually manggod, every time na ay lihokon si bookkeeper sa imuhang business, every time na ay bayad. But for us, walay bayad every time nga mo request ka na mo nga ipalihok na as long as included siya sa services under sa plan nga imong gikuha, then there will be no additional charges except for the government fees no nga inyong bayaran dito, but we can pay it mansad. Just send us the funds, we will pay it ourselves dito sa government, and we will send you the receipt pod no, the receipt na among makuha pod from the government as a proof nga amo yung gibayad ang funds. Now for the Aguila Starter Plan, it's for 1,500 pesos only. So far, this is the lowest rate gyud diri sa Cebu City if you want to start legalizing your business. So included na ang pinaka uh, first phase, no? First phase sa registration sa imong business, the DTI, the mayor's permit, and the BIR. Most especially, ang reporting nimo sa BIR every month, every quarter, and every year. So that's just 1,500 pesos per month. However, dili tanan makakuha ani nga plan, no? Kay lowest rate man siya, syempre natay eligibility requirement. For the eligibility requirement ani nga plan kay your business sales should not be greater than 1 million pesos per year or 83,000 pesos per month. That's the time na pwede kang mukuha ani nga plan. Aside from that, your business should be a non-VAT entity. Your business should be located within Cebu City area only. So, katong nasa Mandaue, nasa Lapu-Lapu, unfortunately, Cebu City palang usa no ang ato ang gihatagan ani nga privilege to have this plan. Lastly, the business should be under the micro business category. Sige lang kay if you contact us, we will call you to check your eligibility kung pwede ka maka-avail sa plan. How to avail? Message us on our Facebook page. That's Aguila Tax Management Services. Then give us your phone number so we can call you. We can check your eligibility. Then once you're eligible, first step to avail the plan is to schedule an onboarding orientation diri sa among office. So we do this sa tanang bago nga clients para makahibaw mo and makailang mo na mo, makatultol mo sa among opisina and makaila-ila mo sa mga staff members na mo diri ipaila-ila gyud ta mo sa tanan nga naa diri sa office, no? Para makaila mo makita mo kinsa inyong mga kaistorya over the phone or through chats. So yun, I am waiting for you guys to Message us and kita-kita ta diri sa office.